Hello everyone, and welcome to our Pharmaceutics learning series. In this series, we are going to learn pharmaceutics from the basics to advanced concepts in a simple and easy to understand way. Whether you are preparing for pharmacist recruitment examinations, this series will help you build a strong foundation in pharmaceutics. So, let's begin with the most basic question. What is pharmaceutics? Pharmaceutics is an important branch of pharmaceutical science. In simple words, pharmaceutics is the science and technology of designing, formulating, manufacturing, and evaluating pharmaceutical dosage forms. But what does this actually mean? A drug or active pharmaceutical ingredient cannot always be given directly to a patient. For example, a drug may be available as a powder or a chemical substance. We need to convert that drug into a suitable form that the patient can safely and conveniently use. This is where pharmaceutics comes into the picture. Pharmaceutics deals with converting active pharmaceutical ingredients into suitable dosage forms, such as tablets, capsules, syrups, suspensions, emulsions, creams, ointments, injections, eye drops, inhalations, and many other pharmaceutical preparations. Now, you may wonder, why can't we simply give the drug directly to the patient? There are several reasons. First, the drug must be given in an accurate dose. Second, the drug should remain stable during storage. Third, it should be released from the dosage form in a controlled and predictable manner. Fourth, the dosage form should be safe, effective, and convenient for the patient. For example, imagine giving a bitter drug directly to a child. The child may refuse to take it. Instead, the drug can be formulated as a flavored syrup. Similarly, some drugs may be destroyed in the stomach. Such drugs can be formulated as enteric-coated tablets, which are designed to resist disintegration in the stomach and release the drug in the intestine. Therefore, pharmaceutics plays a major role in improving the safety, effectiveness, stability, and patient acceptability of medicines. One of the most important basic concepts in pharmaceutics is understanding the difference between a drug and a dosage form. A drug is a substance that produces a pharmacological or therapeutic effect. A dosage form is the physical form in which the drug is prepared and supplied to the patient. Let's take a simple example. Paracetamol is the active drug. It can be formulated as paracetamol tablet, paracetamol syrup, paracetamol oral suspension, or in certain situations, an injectable preparation. The active drug may be the same, but the dosage form can be different. The choice of dosage form depends on factors such as the patient's age, route of administration, nature of the drug, desired onset of action, stability, and therapeutic requirements. This is why dosage form design is an important part of pharmaceutics. Pharmaceutical dosage forms can be broadly classified into different categories. Solid dosage forms. Examples include tablets, capsules, powders, and granules. Tablets are among the most commonly used dosage forms. Liquid dosage forms. Examples include solutions, syrups, suspensions, and emulsions. These are particularly useful for patients who have difficulty swallowing solid dosage forms. Semi-solid dosage forms. Examples include ointments, creams, gels, and pastes. They are commonly used for application to the skin or other suitable sites. Sterile dosage forms. Examples include injections and ophthalmic preparations. These products require strict control of microbial contamination and must meet appropriate quality requirements. Other dosage forms. We also have suppositories, inhalations, transdermal patches, nasal preparations, and novel drug delivery systems. Each dosage form is designed according to the specific therapeutic and patient requirements. The role of pharmaceutics extends far beyond simply making tablets. It includes formulation development, selection of suitable excipients, manufacturing processes, dosage form design, stability studies, quality control, packaging, and drug delivery. Pharmaceutics also helps scientists develop advanced drug delivery systems. For example, controlled release formulations can release a drug over an extended period. Transdermal patches can deliver drugs through the skin. Nanoparticles and liposomes can be used in advanced drug delivery approaches. Therefore, pharmaceutics connects pharmaceutical science with practical medicine. Pharmaceutics is a broad subject with several important areas. Some major areas include physical pharmacy, which deals with the physical and chemical principles involved in pharmaceutical systems. Industrial pharmacy, which focuses on large-scale manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. Biopharmaceutics, which studies the relationship between the physical and chemical properties of a drug, dosage form, and its performance in the body. Pharmacokinetics, which deals with what the body does to the drug. And finally, novel drug delivery systems, which focus on developing advanced methods for delivering drugs to the desired site in an effective and controlled manner. We will study these concepts in detail in the upcoming episodes, so let's understand pharmaceutics with a simple real-life example. Suppose a patient has a fever. The physician decides that paracetamol is appropriate. The drug itself is not simply handed over as a raw chemical. It is formulated into a suitable dosage form. For an adult, a tablet may be appropriate. For a child, an oral liquid formulation may be more convenient. The formulation must contain the correct amount of drug, remain stable during its shelf life, and meet appropriate quality standards. This entire process involves the principles of pharmaceutics. So, whenever you see a tablet, capsule, syrup, cream, or injection, remember that pharmaceutics is one of the key sciences behind that pharmaceutical product. Before we finish today's episode, let's quickly revise the important points. Point number 1. Pharmaceutics is the science and technology of designing, formulating, manufacturing, and evaluating dosage forms. Point number 2. A drug is the active substance, while a dosage form is the physical form in which the drug is administered. Point number 3. Examples of dosage forms include tablets, capsules, syrups, suspensions, creams, ointments, and injections. Point number 4. Pharmaceutics focuses on producing medicines that are safe, effective, stable, and convenient for patients. Point number 5. Important areas include physical pharmacy, industrial pharmacy, biopharmaceutics, pharmacokinetics, and novel drug delivery systems. So, this was our introduction to pharmaceutics. If you are preparing for B.Pharm, D.Pharm, GPAT, drug inspector, or pharmacist examinations, make sure you understand these basic concepts because they form the foundation for many advanced topics. In our next episode, we will travel back in time and learn about the history of pharmaceutics from traditional medicines to modern pharmaceutical technology. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in episode